hover pen. Check this out. This is like a magnetic pen that will hover. Ooh, not so easy to put it in. It will attack you. Oh wow, check this out. It's also a magnetic cover right here. Okay, so you wanna put two this way and boom. So neodymium magnet over here, and this side here probably a regular magnet. And the pen has a magnet as well. That's how it stays. And you can even spin it. There is also a mini Lollipop. So there is a large one, and also they have made a mini one. There is another satisfying toy to keep you not bored in the office or keep you from doing your job. So you can continue procrastinating by doing something pretty fun. This is more of a kid toy. I'm just joking around, you know. This side here more for a grill or eating outside. This is a fly swatter too. I like that simple cover, super lightweight, and boom, it's going to spin. This piece of food and this piece of food, you put it next to the food and turn it on, or above the food, and that way the flies, if you wanna fly to here, they're gonna get shooed away. You see, it's not very powerful at all, but it will keep the flies away because there's like a spinning fan over here. So I needed a new extension cord type of deal. So I found this very unique block. Extension cord, pretty long, with the multiple blocks over here. There's on and off each like level. Lots of USB plugs, almost 6 of them. And the coolest part is there is a cell phone charging the wireless. I just drop cell phone on top of it, long enough to my closest plug without moving anything. And let's see if it will charge it. Boom, it's charging. That's good. There's a pretty cool spinning top and a fidget spinner at the same time. I like spinning tops. So first of all, we can plug this in, boom. And you got right here, quite nice, very balanced spinning top. So grab one of those parabolic mirrors, spin it, and it's gonna spin for a while. Just like in an Exception, but much better one. You don't have to spin it like that, you can spin it this way. It's nice. And whenever you want a fidget spinner type of deal, those fidget spinners used to be very popular, but guess what, the spinning tops are always a cool thing. And boom, you got it here, mini fidget spinner. Also, they still come out with new fidget spinners. Check this out, it looks like a little ring. Just like that. I thought it was pretty neat. I like it. I never got into fidget spinners, those triangle ones. But this one I kinda like. Pretty satisfying. Everyday carry item, maybe. It's kinda cool. Then right here I got more of a Halloween item. There's different fingers, goes on a different finger. Look at that. All I have to do is like break in my finger and the whole thing will adjust. This feels so robotic and unique. Kind of broke one of them, but it's still going to work just fine. What do you guys think? This is pretty weird and satisfying. I guess you can really scratch your head really good. Or like you can really scratch your, what do you call it, back really easily. It has one of these things that you're supposed to put all the things together so it doesn't fall out, but with my fingers I don't have to do it. It sits in there really well. That is so unique, and you can put it on both hands. You see how it's in a picture right here? I think this is cool. Cool invention. I like it when they make something unique. Look at that. This is so different. I can't believe it. It's honest, it feels like fingers. Almost feels super robotic. Here's an upgrade to your regular screwdriver. Let's see if it will fit. So there's a little adapter, so your small screwdriver becomes really big. Oh wow, what is this? Extender over here or something? Oh, okay, so it spins and you can hold it. Oh, I guess that way you can hold the screw in here, then put it in and then twist it, and it will spin the screwdriver. Wow, that's an adapter for sure, an awesome one. So it becomes a longer screwdriver, and then you have all of these different attachments. You can just shake it off. Also there's a magnet, so you grab one of these flathead, you can put the screw in and put it in and screw it on by holding it this way. That's kind of nice. Wow. Also, if you need to replace one, just drop it in, twist it. Which one do you need? That's quite nice. So you need a start bit, no problem. You see there's a start bit. Boom. That is nice. I really love how it's easily replaceable. Tells you the gauge of them. Obviously Milwaukee is a high quality. And all you have to do is just flip it this way. Nice. And once you're done, you just twist it into the empty spot. Super cool. Then you put this back and put it in. So this is a really nice household item. Instead of buying a short screwdriver and a long one, this one right here, attachment, makes your screwdriver very long and very versatile. I'm kind of not sure what to think about this gadget. So you put it through here. Is there any professionals would use this gadget? So you put nails over here and it's supposed to be like magnetized. So you can put different adapter on it, maybe even like bolts or nails or screws, like whatever. You could just put it on here. You need to replace one, put it in, screw it on. It kind of helps my wrist a little bit whenever I have to twist it, so it kind of holds my wrist together better. If you need to replace one, boom. I know, kind of nice. Supports my wrist a little better, especially when I have to twist it. Interesting gadget, that's definitely one of a kind. There is another strange flashlight glove. You know, it doesn't even feel like glove, it feels like one of those like little stretchy bands, that's it, like cloth. Boom. And on and off. What is it for? I have no idea. I guess whenever you hold in the screw, trying to hammer something in or hold something, you have a little light in front of you. I don't know. This is just strange. You know what is better than this? A headlamp. Way better than this. And another gadget right here, bamboo, a soft tray. So you can use it right here, put a plate, coffee plate in here, whatever. And if you set it this way, now you can put a coffee mug on it. Just strange, unique little gadget, that's for sure.